Today, we aren't talking about conservation, we are talking about creation. For years, the water from air industry has been dominated by hunters. These are machines designed to scavenge for tiny molecules of moisture in the dry ambient air. They use expensive proprietary chemical wheels, what we call solid desiccant sorption, or high energy mechanical refrigeration to force water out of thin air. The problem, they are fighting a losing battle against physics. When the wind is dry, their energy costs skyrocket. But in the heritage Khazans of Goa and the salt pans of Gujarat, we aren't hunting for water. We've built a trap for it. This is the resource estate protocol that we are deploying, and our weapon of choice is Monsoon in a box. Its core advantage is the point source concentration. Let's talk tech. Most systems on the market rely on ambient atmospheric extraction. They take air at 50 to 80% humidity and try to make it rain. Our proprietary approach uses thermal polygreenhouse structure to create what we call point source concentration. By enclosing a traditional salt pan, we turn the floor into a massive solar driven steam engine. While the world outside is at 60% humidity, the air inside our box is consistently between 80 to 100% saturation. We have effectively miniaturized the global hydrological cycle. Instead of a chemical desiccant wheel, we use phase change refrigeration cycle, that too powered by solar PV. Because the air we process is so dense with moisture, reaching peaks of 55 degrees Celsius and up to 100% relative humidity, even during winters, our monsoons doesn't have to work hard. We are getting yields of 6 to 8 grams of water per cubic meter, while standard machines struggle to hit 2 grams. We aren't just more efficient, we are operating in a different thermodynamic league. Here is where our patent pending design truly leaves the competition behind. In a standard water from air setup, the machine is a standalone cost. It produces water but consumes massive energy. In our resource estate model, the dehumidifier is a production catalyst. By mechanically stripping moisture out of the greenhouse air, we create constant vapor pressure deficit. This causes the salt pan underneath to evaporate faster than it would in the open air. We call this accelerated brine crystallization. The result? The farmer gets two value crops from the same square meter. First, premium industrial salt harvested in record time. And second, ultra pure distilled water recovered at a TDS between 9 and 50. No other technology in the world offers this zero liquid discharge synergy for the smallholder farmer. We've taken the waste heat and turned it into work. The final advantage is resilience. Many high tech water solutions fail in rural areas because they are too complex. They require specialized technicians and proprietary spare parts. The Monsoon in a box is built on an open standard architecture. It uses locally available materials and standard industrial cooling components. Our patent pending innovation isn't in a secret chemical. It is in the thermodynamic layout and control logic that balances solar thermal gain with air change per hour or ACH. It is designed to be off grid, run on power from solar PV, and most importantly, it's designed to be owned and operated by the farmer, not a corporation. The era of aid is over. The era of water entrepreneur has begun. We are capturing the 98% of water that used to disappear into our sky, turning it into India's and world's new liquid currency. If you are a CSR partner or an ESG specialist or a visionary BDO, it's time to move beyond the grid. Join the resource estate deployment of Monsoon in a Box. I am Bhuvan, and this is the future of water. Thank you.